Aims and Objectives of Peace Education. The present lecture has been prepared by Dr. Shokeen Bilal, who is currently working as an assistant professor in the discipline of education. Let me first briefly introduce peace education. Peace and education are vital aspects of a civilized society. Society can't progress without education, and education system must be based on the principle of peace. The highest objective for education is inculcating peace in every learner, to enable learners to be peacemakers rather than consumers of peace. Let me now discuss various aims and objectives of peace education. Promote conflict resolution skills. Teach individuals how to peacefully resolve conflicts at both personal and societal levels, reducing the potential for violence. Cultivate empathy. Foster empathy and understanding among individuals from different backgrounds and cultures, encouraging tolerance and cooperation. Raise awareness. Create awareness about the causes and consequences of violence, including war, discrimination, and social injustices. Instill values. Promote values such as respect, justice, equality, and human rights as essential components of a peaceful society. Encourage critical thinking. Develop critical thinking skills to analyze and address issues related to violence, inequality, and injustice. 6. Empower active citizenship. Empower individuals to actively engage in promoting peace and social justice within their communities and globally. 7. Conflict prevention. Equip individuals with the knowledge and skills to identify and prevent potential conflicts before they escalate. 8. Global citizenship. Foster a sense of global citizenship, emphasizing the interconnectedness of the world and the importance of international cooperation. 9. Nonviolent communication. Teach nonviolent communication techniques that help individuals express themselves peacefully and resolve disputes. 10. Cultural understanding. Encourage the appreciation and understanding of diverse cultures, religions, and perspectives to reduce stereotypes and prejudices. 11. Environmental awareness. Highlight the relationship between peace and environmental sustainability, emphasizing the importance of protecting natural resources to prevent conflicts. 12. Promote gender equality. Address gender-based violence and promote gender equality as integral aspects of peace education. 13. Promote social justice. Advocate for social justice and equality, addressing systemic inequalities that can lead to violence and conflict. 14. Conflict transformation. Teach strategies for transforming conflicts into opportunities for positive change and growth. 15. Promote peaceful coexistence. Promote the idea that different cultures, religions, and ethnicities can coexist peacefully and contribute to a harmonious society. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.